Construction projects often lead to incredible archaeological discoveries that provide insight into ancient civilisations, forgotten histories, and lost artefacts. Sometimes these findings consist of individual objects with immense historical significance. Here are 5 notable examples of remarkable items uncovered during construction projects. During the construction of an undersea infrastructure project near the island of Antikythera, divers discovered a corroded but intricate mechanism among a shipwreck. The ancient Greek device, dating back to around 100 BCE, is considered the world's first known analog computer. It was used to track astronomical positions and eclipses, revealing advanced scientific knowledge in ancient Greece. The Staffordshire Hoard in 2009. While clearing land for new housing developments in Staffordshire, England, workers uncovered the largest collection of Anglo-Saxon gold and silver metalwork. The hoard contained over 3,500 items, including exquisitely crafted sword fittings and religious artefacts, offering a glimpse into the wealth and artistry of the 7th century Anglo-Saxon kingdoms. Before we look at more interesting findings, we wanted to take a moment to introduce you to our online learning platform at metroun.co.uk. By subscribing, you will have access to a wealth of information and useful tools to help you excel as a QS through your day-to-day tasks, and the vast library of courses can be used towards formal CPD. But now back to the video. The Rosetta Stone in Egypt, 1799. During construction of a French fort in Egypt, a soldier unearthed a black granite slab inscribed with 3 scripts: Greek, Demotic, and Egyptian hieroglyphics. This artifact, now known as the Rosetta Stone, was instrumental in deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphics, unlocking the secrets of one of the world's most fascinating ancient civilisations. Farmers digging a well for irrigation near Xi'an, China, stumbled upon fragments of life-size terracotta statues. Excavations revealed an entire underground army of over 8,000 soldiers, horses, and chariots, buried to protect Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife. This discovery provided an unprecedented look into China's first emperor's military and artistic prowess. During a railway construction project near Baghdad, workers discovered a small clay jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod, dating back to the Parthian period, 250 BCE to 224 CE. The object is believed by some scholars to be an ancient battery, possibly used for electroplating. This discovery has sparked debate about the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations. These individual discoveries highlight the incredible historical value that can emerge unexpectedly during construction projects. Whether shedding light on lost technologies, ancient craftsmanship, or forgotten civilizations, such findings enrich our understanding of the past and demonstrate the importance of preserving history even in the face of modern development. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.